Hi, how you doing? My name is Jack, and I'm the medical study doctor here at Atlantia Clinical Trials. We asked you to submit questions which asked about the link between diet and mood, and today we're going to be answering some of them.
General responses.
So thank you to everyone who submitted a question. We had a great response. There was a few people who submitted specific questions about low mood and their own mental health. And thank you very much for reaching out to us about this. However, unfortunately, we can't give out any specific medical advice or psychological advice here on the newsletter. It is a good idea to reach out, and you should do this with a trusted person and to your own GP, as this is a great avenue to seek help.
Are there diets that can improve mood?
So once again, I'll just say that psychiatric disorders such as depression and anxiety have a lot of contributing factors. So that can be genetics, social situation, and other medical conditions. However, we do know that diet can play an important role in this now, and there are a few ways that this can happen. Diet can affect our health via its action on our gut microbiome, and this can then affect our mood in a few ways. The microbes in our gut can interact with the nerves, and this can communicate with the brain, for example, via the vagus nerve. In addition to this, there can also be endocrine effects, and this can happen directly or indirectly via hormones. Also, the microbiota can interact with the immune system, and this can either mean turning up the dial of inflammation or dampening things down. Lastly, diet is also important to get the nutrients we need, and when we're deficient in certain nutrients, this can contribute to poor mental health. All of these factors can affect mood. The evidence shows that you can affect gut health and mood by changing diet. For example, eating more fresh plant foods, which contribute to fiber in the diet, which feeds the microbes. Fruit and vegetables also contain polyphenols, which are converted by our microbiota to other important compounds which have beneficial effects on both our health and on mood. Other than that, there are some foods which can be damaging to our gut microbiota. For example, cutting down on ultra-processed foods can possibly alleviate depressive symptoms.
Can fish oils affect mood?
So fish oils refer to a specific type of fats called omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in high quantities in fish, but also in other foods such as seaweed. These fats are important as when they are present in the right quantities, they allow our body to keep inflammation at the right level. The evidence for fish oils and mood is mixed. Many studies have shown no effect of fish oils, whereas some have shown a good effect with depressive symptoms. It may be that you need to be deficient in these fats in the first place for them to be useful. However, these fats have beneficial effects on cardiovascular health as well, so there's no real harm in taking them. Generally, it's better to get these fats from a whole food, such as from fish or from seaweed. However, there are supplements available on the market as well.
Can vitamin B supplements affect mood?
B vitamins are a group of vitamins that are essential for the normal functioning of our cells. When they're taken together, it's known as vitamin B complex. And the theory is that this can contribute to mood by helping the normal metabolism of our cells. However, evidence from a few trials has showed no direct effect of vitamin B supplements on depression or anxiety. However, it has shown that it can help with stress levels and how we handle stress. Similar to fish oils, these supplements are likely most effective in those who are already not getting enough in their own diets.
Can probiotics help with depression?
The idea behind probiotics is that they contribute beneficial bacteria to a gut microbiome that may not be functioning properly. Probiotics that can affect mood are known as psychobiotics. There's been some difficulty assessing these psychobiotics as there are so many different strains of bacteria that these can all have different effects. However, evidence has shown that certain probiotics, such as those containing bifidobacterium or lactobacillus, can help alleviate depressive symptoms. Once again, there are many contributing factors to depression, which can be managed with therapy, antidepressants, and lifestyle changes. However, diet and probiotics look to be a very promising additional tool. If you want to submit any questions for next month's issue, the theme will be sport and fitness and how that relates to diet. You can find the link to submit questions at the bottom of the newsletter. Thanks very much, and slán.